Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, do you think why Yorubas are calling for Igbos to leave Lagos? Do you think that because of what Peter Obi did to Tinubu in 2023 election? Do you think because Peter Obi won Lagos, and that sent shivers to Lagosians, to the Yorubas that these people, if we don't reduce them now, 2027 it might be a problem for us, or going forward, governorship election might be a problem to them. Do you think that's why they want to do this?
If there's something like that, if they feel like that, then Igbo must go. We not solve the problem. Igbo must go. We not solve that problem, because Igbo will not go to anywhere. Igbo are come to stay. Even if we divide, the only thing that will just happen is that the system will change. We will ask them, you want to stay, then you have to obtain visa, because Ghana is a different country. You find Igbo there. Cameroon is another country. Igbos are there. Igbos are everywhere. Likewise, Yoruba, we are everywhere. So the Yorubas that are in the southeast, there may not be many as Igbo that are here, and their nature is to travel. It is the nature of Igbo people to travel, and you cannot take that one away from them. It has their own advantage and it's also disadvantage. So there's no way you want to say, because you feel threatened because of 2023, then you will now say all Igbo must go. Go where? Go to where? They cannot go anywhere. The only thing I think you should do is that carry everybody along. After the election, you have bamboozled them, use all this or whatever you want miss to win the election. Then don't revenge. Stop vengeance. If you are doing it, I'm not accusing state government of try to make any vengeance, but if you are trying to do it, forget about it. Carry everybody along. And I've told Igbo people also that, you see, you cannot be in a stranger land. You want to enter into their politics, then you have to do the party that is reigning in that place. You want to drink from the stream of politics in Lagos State, then you have to pass through the one that is reigning now. Tomorrow it may change, but what is reigning now in Lagos State is APC since 1999. So when you invest in PDP, it doesn't work. Then why not try APC? The same way Otoro Bishop Solomari Ganduje said, you don't want to feel what do they call this thing? They will say we are being marginalized. If you don't want to be marginalized again, join APC. It's a political word. Yeah. It's a propaganda. It's a political propaganda. It's between the truth and the false. They don't have to join APC if they will no longer to be marginalized. But at the same time, if you want to go to that federal, you have to join the party that is ruling now. So many times we have had opposition. My daddy was a politician. He didn't go to school, but he understands something. He usually tell me, say, Femi, any region that is doing opposition, they will be relegated. So any region that is doing, opposition party, contrary to the one that is federal, they will be relegated, and it's true. He will not use Obafemi Awolowo as example. That Obafemi Awolowo always against the party that is ruling. He always been in opposition. And if you continue to be like that, you will not. You cannot go to federal. The party that is ruling at that time, something may change tomorrow. Excuse me. And when the state started changing was in 2014, when we know that PDP was the ruling party, and the two opposition party, even like 3 or 4 opposition parties, they were able to come to join together, and they were able to wrestle power from PDP. Now look at it in this way. I'm talking about Igbo now. That time during 2014, when they want to merge, 2013 or 2014, towards 2015 the election, almost the whole Southwest, we are in ACN. ACN. We contribute, led by Tinubu, we contributed all the ACN in the Southwest. We contributed towards the merging of APC. Only Imo State, they were able to get from Southeast. To tell you that Southeast, they invested in PDP. While Southwest, we invested heavily in APC. So, after, and this is the permutation. You invest in the area that you know that you will have gain. You cannot go and invest in a bush where nobody will patronize you. You want to go and build a shopping complex, then you go inside bush to go and, if it goes, you are building for. So likewise, party, when party want to do things, they invest in the area. Look at another permutation now in 2027, 2031 rather. Power will go back to the north. We are in the north, probably in the northeast. Why? Because northeast has not produced any president at all. And as I'm talking to you now, northeast also have invested heavily in APC. The last election, go and check. We know what we saw there. So if they want to show now, if the election, I mean, if the power will go back to the north, probably it will be northeast. That's how the permutation work. The politician, they will have look at it. It's like Baba Jebu permutation. You forecast. You forecast. Yes. So that you are even saying it's rotational. We cannot say it's rotational. Then all the party, they will now say, oh, it is Kano Igbo. All the party, they should go and choose somebody from Igbo side. It's not possible. Even in 1999, when they wanted to compensate Yoruba because of 1993, that was in 1999. Northern, they come and pick Obasanjo. Obasanjo was not our candidate in Southwest. We don't want Obasanjo, but they choose him. It was Obasanjo they wanted. We want Olufalaye. And what happened? What eventually happened is that the Yoruba choice of presidency, we couldn't get it. We got a Yoruba man, but not the person we want. So that's how things work. So if you want to drink from a political stream in a particular place, then you join the mainstream party. Then if you want to use another corner to enter, then you have to work. So work and patient. That's what is going to work. You have to work and be patient at the same time. Maybe, I don't know what you are waiting for, but I know that things can change. How old is our democracy? 1999 down here, like 24 years thereabout. In this thing, if proper care is not taken, it can last for 50 years. Yes, that's the truth of the matter. It can last for 50 years. So if you keep on struggling, one day, maybe one day, you may find a PDP man ruling in Lagos State. But as I see now, as we are talking now, it is APC that is ruling. And if you want to drink from the stream of politics, you rather join them or you wait and continue your struggle. As simple as that. Okay.
So, lastly, what do you take as regards Ronowokri saying that Igbos didn't build Lagos, that as at 1981 that Lagos Igbos were not in Lagos, that was Yoruba that built Lagos, not Igbos building Lagos.
You see, all these years who build Lagos, I don't like it because building of Lagos, you cannot attribute it to a particular.
Let the Igbos go. Please, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, I am going to collect signatories of over 1 million people all over Nigeria. We are going to send it to the National Assembly. We will march to the National Assembly. Demand that the National Assembly should allow the Igbos go. What is hatred here now? Nobody I won't go. All of a sudden, I say, make on I go, say I hatred. What is hatred? You want to go? Let the Igbos go. I will collect 1 million. Mark this thing. I will collect 1 million signatures. 1 million signatures. I will march to the National Assembly. I too big for Igbo people. I too big for Naoyema. I too big for now. Who wanna be? Slaves. People who sell their own people. People who hit their own people. When human beings are talking, will Igbo too talk? Human beings are talking. Igbo too is talking. They are using their people for rituals. Every evil on earth, they are number one. Human beings are talking. Igbo too will talk. Open their mouth to talk Igbo. Yes, I have Igbo blood in me, and I'm ashamed of that Igbo blood in me. If I have a way to remove it, I will remove it. Human beings are talking. Igbos too are talking. Quick. Always abusing other people. As if they had anything. Nothing. Yeah. Let the Igbos go. Oh, bang, let the Igbos go. President Bola Tinubu, let the Igbos go. Tom, 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 tom. Ting, 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 ting. Let the Igbos go. Yeah. Let the Igbos go. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, please, in the name of God, why do we allow this vicious cycle of irritation of one people claiming to be victims when they are really the aggressors, when they are really the people offending others? Let us allow them go. National Assembly, let us vote, let them go, so that the burden, there'll be more resources for other people to manage. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. Will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. Etiabali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied, I am Etiabali today. Etiabali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abam.
Asari Dokubo is talking. He doesn't have action. When men come out, where is he? Will he stand? He said you will collect woto, but when they protest in Niger Delta, did he come outside? He's just a noise maker. Yes, Asari Dokubo is a man from a job, as he claimed. But who is Asari Dokubo? To start with, who is Asari Dokubo in this country? No, I want to know. Make me understand who is Asari Dokubo. In his region, he cannot control only 500. Not to talk more of 1 million. He's begging for one. I've told you before that Asari Dokubo is looking for recognition under the under Tinubu's administration. He is nobody. He's looking for a way to be recognized. If Tinubu can give him a slot, are you getting it? He's just looking for a slot from Tinubu, which is not going to. He's not going to get it. Are you getting it? Listen and listen good. Before Asari Dokubo start talking of Igbos should go, Igbos have already started saying it even before now. How old is Asari Dokubo? How old is Nigeria? When did the Igbos fought the war? Where was him? Was he part of Igbos when they were fighting the war that they want to go? No, he's nowhere to be found. Nobody know him. He just woke up yesterday and start ranting. He's a noise maker, an empty threater. I could remember during a protest, he said if anybody that march, that the person will collect woto. Is that not what he said? But when they march, what happened? During the protest, did you see Asari Dokubo outside? That is to tell you it's just it's a paper tiger. It can only bark without biting. And I'm using this opportunity. I have told him before, I sent a message to him. Bros, I respect you. Please don't let me insult you. Because I see you as an elderly person. You are old and you are older than what you are saying. You are a shame and you are a disgrace to your family. Listen and listen good. You talk of Igbos being a slave and the same you claiming to be an Igbo man. That means you are one of the slaves. When you are making a statement, be conscious, be careful, reason what you are saying. You say you are an Igbo and you started mentioning the Ishekiri and whatsoever. You are the one that mentioned it and claimed that you are one of them as Igbo. Today you say Igbos are slaves. Are you not confused? No, are you not confused? You need deliverance. And come, I will deliver you. By the grace of God.
Because you're a pastor, you deliver him, Abi?
Yes, I will deliver him.
So,
I'm not just a pastor. Listen to me. Not just a pastor. We have five-fold ministry. There are people that call for deliverance. So that is my field. Let him come. I will conduct deliverance on him.
what do you think he's saying all this because of he wants a position or a slot in Tinubu's cabinet government?
I said Asari Dokubo need what? He want to be relevant in this government. In Tinubu's government. He's looking for relevancy. He's looking for a slot. Are you getting it? I could remember when he was ranting, Nnamdi Kanu this, Nnamdi Kanu that, they will kill Nnamdi Kanu. Ever since Nnamdi Kanu have been under the custody of Nigerian DSS, what has happened? Did you see him rant again? He did not rant again, he stopped. They said if he come, they will kill him. Have they killed him? No! He is not as coward as he is. Nnamdi Kanu is not a coward like Asari Dokubo. If Nnamdi Kanu needed a slot, Nigeria will give him a slot for him to be quiet and close this agitation. Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Mr. President is aware of what I'm saying. Obasanjo is aware of what I'm saying. The late or the living Buhari is aware of. My dear, I am speaking from the source. I am telling you nothing but the truth because I found out before speaking. Ask. Verify very well. I am on air. Verify. If Nnamdi Kanu we are to admit, to welcome the offer, just like as Asari Dokubo is looking, you will not see him there. From the first beginning, they want to offer him. Look at the other man. Was this man, the Masad guy under Tinubu? Wazirike during Obasanjo regime. I could remember as at that time I was a member of Masad, thinking that we are going somewhere. When the man was called and they gave a small prison, and inside the prison they arranged themselves, they gave him offer. The man collected offer and dropped us on the way. Are you getting it? They brought us out and leave everybody. Up to today, is he talking? Is he speaking? They have silenced him. But this very one came out. They tried to offer him, to give him slot, to give him some gift, which he refused. I will not forget. Thank God, His Excellency, the former president of this country called Obasanjo, is still alive. You can confirm. There is something, one statement he made, I will not forget it. I read it from Nation and Punch. He said, now, this is Obasanjo's statement. He said now that he has seen that Igbos have gotten a leader. That was before the court now gave him order, Nnamdi Kanu, not to address more than 10 persons. Before the army invaded his house. Ask! Obasanjo is still alive. Are you hearing me? So, are you hearing me? So, what I'm telling you, these people are not cowards like Asari Dokubo. Watch out now. If Tinubu now, or the same maybe all these Igbo people, call him by the corner and give him a special slot, they will start praising Igbo. What makes him to start claiming Igbo before? Because he supported Tinubu, he praised Tinubu, he promoted Tinubu, hoping that when Tinubu reach Aso Rock. Remember he visited Aso Rock after Tinubu ascended the throne. You remember? Seeking for slot. When he now said that Tinubu turned him down, he went back and started to criticize Tinubu government and Tinubu himself.
even when they were in court with Atiku and Obi, he was there now. On the day they wanted to give the final judgment, he was there with his boys. In court.
In court. He was there. Because he's looking for a way. He's looking for a way. He's looking for, he need change. Which Nnamdi Kanu don't need. Let me tell you, Nnamdi Kanu is rich. He's comfortable. It's okay. What he's fighting for is not because of self. If he's standing for self, Nigeria has given him enough to stand in addition of what he has already. But he doesn't need it. What he needs is the freedom of his people. We have been marginalized. in this country. Listen and listen good. The key soldier and the army start to visit house to house, taking people, killing the innocent souls. I still repeat, in Boronu, do you know how many generals that have died in Boronu? In Kaduna, in Sokoto, how many times has Nigerian government army visit house to house in those states, picking up young boys? I'm asking, with this, I don't believe in Nnamdi Kanu before, because I thought he will betray us just like it was written. But now I believe him. I have seen the legacy in him. I have seen what makes him to be different from other agitators. Are you hearing me? That is why you see me speaking like this. I have confidence in this. I'm telling you from experience. Are you getting it? Nigeria is a nation that they know the truth and they don't want to welcome it. And you, that is the truth, if you are not welcome, what do you have to do? You shift. You shift. The Bible said in the book of Matthew, it said, when you enter a city with a good news and they did not welcome you, what did you do? What do you have to do? He said, pick up your shoe. He said, even dust it. Look at it. He said, dust it like this. That the dust of that very place that is in your shoe, dust it. And when you dust it, he said, turn back and go. He said, woe unto that land. Woe unto that land. So, in Nigeria, Igbos want to Biafra. We are dusting our shoe in Nigeria. As you can hear this, I am dusting my shoe already. Likewise, every Biafran man, we are all dusting our shoe. We are ready to go.